Hi, this is your host. Today we're going to talk about home remedies to boost skin immunity. But before we begin, please like and subscribe for more informative content like this. As we all know, our skin is the primary barrier of our immune system and it is in constant interaction with the external environment. It protects us from harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, chemicals, etc. The health of our skin reflects the overall health of our body. When our skin is healthy, it has a better ability to fight off infections and repair itself. However, many factors can weaken our skin immunity, such as stress, lack of sleep, unhealthy diet, exposure to toxins, etc. This can lead to various skin problems like acne, eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, etc. But don't worry, there are many things we can do at home to boost our skin immunity and keep our skin healthy. In this video, we will share 5 simple yet powerful home remedies that you can incorporate into your daily routine to improve your skin's health and resilience. These remedies are based on natural ingredients that have been used for centuries to treat skin problems and promote overall well-being. Before we start, please like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest health and wellness tips. No. 1. Start consuming probiotic foods. Probiotics are live bacteria that can benefit our health, especially our gut health. They are present in fermented foods such as yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, miso, tempeh, kefir, etc. When we consume probiotic foods, we introduce these beneficial bacteria into our gut. They help maintain the balance of our gut flora, which affects our skin health. Probiotics enhance our skin immunity by several mechanisms. They strengthen the gut barrier function, preventing harmful substances from leaking into the bloodstream and causing inflammation. They also stimulate the production of antimicrobial peptides, which are small proteins that kill bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens. They also enhance the skin barrier function, making it less prone to irritation and water loss. To boost your skin immunity, include 1 or more servings of probiotic foods in your daily diet. For example, you can have a bowl of yogurt with breakfast, a cup of kombucha with lunch, or a snack of kimchi and kefir. You can also take probiotic supplements if you prefer. The recommended intake is 2 to 3 billion colony-forming units CFS per day. But consult your doctor before taking any supplements. Number 2. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that our body produces when our skin is exposed to sunlight. It plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health, including our skin health. Vitamin D is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs when our body is injured or infected. However, chronic inflammation can damage our skin and cause various skin problems. Vitamin D reduces inflammation in the body, which can improve skin health and reduce the risk of skin problems. Vitamin D also helps regulate the immune system, which is essential for protecting our body from infections. A healthy immune system is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin D enhances the skin's ability to protect itself from harmful bacteria and other pathogens, reducing the risk of skin infections. To get enough vitamin D, you can spend some time in the sun, but be careful not to burn your skin. You should also include vitamin D-rich foods in your diet, such as fatty fish, beef liver, egg yolks, and certain types of mushrooms. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D is 600 to 800 U per day. But consult your doctor before taking any supplements. No. 3. Manage stress levels. Stress is a natural response to perceived threats or challenges. But chronic stress can harm our health, including our skin health. Stress hormones like cortisol suppress our immune system, making us more vulnerable to skin problems. Stress also affects our sleep quality, which affects our skin's ability to repair itself. To manage stress, you can practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, tai chi, etc. You can also engage in hobbies or activities that you enjoy, such as gardening, painting, music, etc. You can also seek social support from friends, family, or a therapist. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. When we sleep, our body repairs and regenerates new skin cells, which helps improve skin tone and texture. Sleep also helps reduce inflammation and stress, which can trigger skin problems. To get enough sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule and stick to it as much as possible, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Ensure that your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. These conditions promote better sleep quality. If you have trouble sleeping, consult your doctor and rule out any underlying medical conditions or medications that may be affecting your sleep. No. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining healthy skin because water is essential for keeping our skin cells healthy and functioning properly. When we're dehydrated, our skin cells can become dry and flaky, leading to irritation and inflammation. Water also helps flush out toxins from our body, which can accumulate in our skin and cause problems. Dehydration can also cause our skin to lose its elasticity, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Staying hydrated helps maintain the suppleness and firmness of our skin. To boost your skin immunity, drink at least 8 cups of water per day. You can also drink herbal teas or infused waters to make drinking water more enjoyable. However, it is important to note that the amount of water we need to drink depends on various factors, such as our body size, activity level, and climate. If you're unsure about how much water you should be drinking, consult your doctor for personalized advice. Number 5. Use natural skincare products. Many skincare products contain harmful chemicals and toxins that can damage our skin and reduce its immunity. These ingredients include parabens, sulfates, phthalates, alcohol, etc. These chemicals can cause irritation, inflammation, and other skin problems. They can also disrupt our body's natural hormone balance and affect our overall health. To boost your skin immunity, switch to natural skincare products that are free of harmful chemicals and toxins. These products typically use plant-based ingredients that are gentle on the skin and provide nourishment and hydration. Some examples of natural skincare ingredients include aloe vera, green tea, turmeric, honey, avocado oil, etc. Look for skincare products that are labeled as organic, natural, or free of harmful chemicals. You can also make your own skincare products using natural ingredients. There are many recipes available online and in books that can help you create personalized skincare products that suit your skin type and needs. By switching to natural skincare products, you can reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals and provide your skin with nourishing and hydrating ingredients that support its natural barrier function and overall health. These are just a few of the many things you can do at home to boost your skin immunity and improve its health. By adopting these simple yet effective strategies, you can enhance your skin's natural defense mechanisms and reduce its susceptibility to damage from environmental stressors. Remember, achieving healthy and radiant skin requires a holistic approach that addresses not only external factors but also internal well-being. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and give your skin the nourishment it deserves. Your skin will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they, too, can benefit from these tips. Stay healthy and take care.